stayed over freezing last night. The low temperature was 50, so I went ahead and left these brassicas outside. Some on my porch swing, and a few over here on the tractor seat. Tonight's supposed to get down to 30, so I will drag them back into the garage greenhouse for the night. Trying to get these hardened off. Next week we're supposed to have a week without lows below freezing, and it is supposed to, look at my crazy chicken pillows, it is supposed to rain for a few days. I'm going to try and transplant my brassicas and onions out then. Transplanting when you have rain coming is good. It helps to protect them from the stress of transplant when it's kind of overcast and rainy. Just got home, it's midnight. It's supposed to be down to 32 by the morning, so I'm going to drag these back into the garage. I think I'm also going to take these nasturtiums and celery outside because they can take colder temps. Stays probably 50 in my garage this time of year, 50 to 60. So we're going to transition these to the outdoors too, start hardening them off. Ignore my dirty counter because I just moved plants, but look, we finally have some asparagus peeking. That's the first one to pop up there. We're on day 5 now of hardening these off during the day in the sunshine. Probably going to give these onions and leeks a haircut today. Get ready to plant these out soon. Sun is setting now, and I'm going to carry these guys back inside again one more time. And then I'm going to give the leeks and onions a haircut. The reason I carry these in, carry them out, carry them in, carry them out, is because I made a mistake last year on my tomatoes. And I decided I was going to be smart. And I was going to put them right inside my garage door and open the garage door during the day so they could get sun, and close it at night to keep them warm. And then my dummy self forgot one night when I came home at midnight after work and drove my Jeep over all my seedlings and smashed most of my tomatoes and peppers. So last year was a tough tomato year because we had the biggest and the best under the Jeep tires. Yeah, it's also a reason it's good to have extra seedlings. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It's day 6, going into day 7, and we're able to leave these outside again tonight. And tomorrow, gonna plant some of these bigger ones.